Hello. In this video, we look at using boot volumes to scale Oracle Cloud Infrastructure instances to increase their hardware specification while keeping their system intact. We show how to scale an instance by terminating it, but retaining its boot volume. We will then create a new instance with higher shape specification and attach the retained boot volume to it. So let's look at scaling an Oracle Linux instance in our Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. Here in the console, on the instance list, we see the working instance that we want to scale. We click on the instance name to view its details. Scrolling down to the shape configuration section, we see the current shape for this instance showing VM standard E4 Flex, which has 1 OCPU and 16 GB of RAM. Under resources, we select boot volume. We see the name of the attached boot volume, MOR-OL7-101. There are a number of places to terminate an instance. Here we scroll up and click the More Actions drop-down. We select Terminate. The confirmation dialog offers the option to permanently delete the attached boot volume of the instance. In order to be able to reuse this boot volume, we leave the default selection of not deleting the boot volume by leaving the selection unchecked. We click Terminate Instance. Back on the instance details screen, we see it has started terminating, and after a few minutes, it is terminated. To create a new instance, we click on Instances in the breadcrumbs menu to return to the instance list. We select Create Instance, and the name of the new instance will be MOR-OL7-102. We will select the same administrative domain as the old instance, AD3. Scrolling down to the Image and Shape section, in the Image section, we see the default Linux image assigned to the new instance. We want to use the boot volume from our previous instance, so we select Change Image. From the Image Source drop-down, we select Boot Volumes. The table offers us the list of available boot volumes, and we can see our MOR-OL7-101 boot volume. We click the tick box beside the volume name to select it, and then select Image to assign it. We now see the name of the boot volume for our instance. In the Shape section, we see the default assigned shape of VM standard E4 Flex. Here we will change to a higher spec shape by selecting Change Shape. We have a number of options to select a new shape type and spec, and our service limits will affect what we can choose. But I just want to increase the OCPU count and RAM to show our new instance will have a higher spec than the old instance. Using the Customize section, I input 2 for the OCPU count. This automatically increases the RAM from 16 to 32 GB, which also is what we want here. We accept these settings by clicking Select Shape. Our instance now shows it will use a shape of 2 OCPUs and 32 GB of RAM. To finish off our instance setup, we will associate it with the same compartment and network as our old instance. So I select Change Compartment for the Virtual Cloud Network and choose the network name Networks. We are given the default name being used for this compartment. I do the same for subnet, change the compartment and select Networks, which gives us the correct subnet name for our instance here. I upload the public SSH key file to be used. Leaving everything else as default, we click on Create to start provisioning the new instance. In the instance details, we can see the shape configuration section with the new shape spec. Under the resources section, we select boot volume. And here we can see the name of the boot volume used, which is the volume previously used in the old instance. So we have now recreated the old instance with a higher shape specification by using its boot volume to create a new instance. That's the end of the video. Remember, for lots more free videos about all aspects of working with Linux on Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, check out this extensive library of content covering a wide range of deployment and administrative topics. Thanks for watching.